Am I clear to land? Yes, you are clear to land. In one way. Two. You have got runway. There. I'm gonna show you this one. Okay. Can clear to land. Suddenly, the impact of the engine didn't work again. I think that's 100, 300, 200, 100. What about? The crash where this airport tower said that, and nobody survived because the plane was going left. The plane crashed because of the wind. Suddenly the wind goes there. Go left. They go left. The wind go left, and the plane crashed. Nobody survived. 0 people didn't survive. So yeah, bye bye.